Hey loves, it's Chellbee. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Chellbee, the blogger behind Chellbee.com. So glad to come to you guys with another video this Thursday. I hope you guys are having a great week. It's almost the weekend, so if nothing else, that's a reason to be happy. Today, I wanted to share my top 5 Christian songs, and yeah, let's pretty much jump right into it. My favorite, it's like number 1 right now, and it plays in my head all day, even when I'm not actually listening to it. My favorite song right now is Erica Campbell's Well Done. I don't know what it is. Like, it's just I just love it. Like, I love the beat, I love the melody, I just love her voice, and it's just such an uplifting song, and the words are, the entire song itself, like from every component is just beautiful. What better way to say it than like you want to hear him say well done when you get there? Like, don't we all want that? But anyways, but yeah, so I love that song. It's just so beautiful. It's so pretty, so true, and I don't know. It's just one of those songs that just it uplifts my spirit when I hear it. So I love that song. That's like my number 1 top Christian song right now. All my other ones are pretty much like older songs, and I'm completely fine with that. I mean, they don't have to be new to me personally, so when you hear these other ones, you're probably gonna be like, I'm surprised the Well Done one is in there. But anyways, and these are really in no particular order, to be honest, but Well Done is like one of my favorite songs right now. I am a huge Marvin Sapp fan, so 2 of my songs are from Marvin Sapp. First one is, of course, like, I feel like everyone loves this song. Like, if you don't love this song, then you haven't heard it yet. Like, there's no way you heard the song and you didn't love it. And it's Marvin Sapp Never Would Have Made It. It's one of those songs that just speaks to like encouragement, because we all have had those struggles, obstacles where we just thought like, there's no way I'm gonna make it through, and then when you got onto the other side, you can't do anything but praise God, because you know you could have made it through without him. Anyways, I'm not gonna go on and on, but I love that song. And The Best in Me, to me that song was like, it was like a sermon in a song, you know, like the words, the chorus, it's just like a sermon to me. Like, I feel like I learned a lot about Christ in that song, and that might sound silly, but and I would say that for all of these songs. Like, all of these songs, when you really listen to the word and you really take heart to like the meaning behind the actual words in the song, like they speak to testimony, they speak to just true teachings that are in the Bible, and that is like what I'm most thankful for at times when it comes to Christian songs. Is like, you know, I can listen to those songs and feel as though I'm listening to somebody preach, you know, or feel as though I'm like listening to a sermon. But it's a song, so it's easy for me to remember, and you know, I can recite it to myself. When I'm down, I can play it, and I love that about Christian music. And I was like hugely against Christian music. Like, I used to feel like if it didn't make me cry, then it wasn't a good song. And I know that sounds bad, but these songs do make me cry, so I guess that says that hasn't changed too much. But yeah, I'm really thankful that I gave Christian music a chance, especially when I started over on this journey, because it has been so helpful. It's taught me so much. And I'm going to shut up now, because I'm sure you want to know what my other songs were. So my last 2 was William McDowell, I Give Myself Away. That song, oh my God, I don't know if he's a pastor, like, because I really don't know a whole lot about most of these singers, but that song just taught me so much, like literally just the words, like you give yourself away. And I didn't really even understand what that meant until I heard that song and got a little bit deeper into my reading. But I love that song, and I love that it's 2 parts. If you haven't heard the first part, if you haven't heard both parts, definitely look it up, because I think he has like a video channel on YouTube. So definitely look it up. You definitely want to hear both parts of that song. And I will make sure that I leave the list in the blog post along with links to the videos, just in case you guys do want to see it. So make sure you check the description box. I'll leave the links to the blog post, and I'll have links to the videos so that you can check out each one of these songs if you want to listen to it yourself. And my last one is Nobody Greater by Vashawn Mitchell. Now, I've loved this song for a long time, and today is probably the first time that I found out who actually sings it. I know, true, like there is nobody greater than him. It's just such a beautiful song. It's like a beat. It has such a nice melody, and yeah, I love that song. So my top 5 songs: Well Done, Erica Campbell; Never Would Have Made It by Marvin Sapp; Best to Me by Marvin Sapp; I Give Myself Away by William McDowell; and Nobody Greater by Vashawn Mitchell. All those songs can make me cry, especially pregnant. But really, I think the main reason why I love all those songs is because they all teach you so much about Christ and God, and they all speak to our personal testimonies and things that we've been through and the things that we desire for ourselves as Christians. And I love that about Christian music. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I literally just want to make a quick video just sharing some of my favorite Christian songs. I thought it would be fun to share. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to stop rambling and go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit like. Until next time, you guys, be blessed. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.